Hi, I'm Tyson Higgonbotham with Supply Source Products, here today to demonstrate our CopperPress product and our IsoTubi stainless steel USA product. These products can be found at CopperPress.com and IsoTubi-USA.com, or you can purchase either of these products on SupplySourceProducts.com. So, at CopperPress.com, we have created a copper press fitting with a visual leak before press technology. This visual green band not only indicates that it is for green or potable water, that indicates an EPDM sealing element, but we also then have a yellow for an HNBR sealing element to clearly be able to distinguish what application is the correct application. We've gone one step further and printed on the side of the fitting the green H2O, so even after the fitting has been pressed, you will clearly see that it was utilized in the right application long after the sealing element, the visual leak before press system, has fallen away. So what is the differentiator between the visual leak before press system, which is patent pending and the only one on the market, and the standard copper press fitting that exists right now? Well, the fact that you can visually see it, we understood from the consumer that they spent a lot of time missing a press, pressurizing a system, and then they had to go back through and look and try to define or find which press fitting or which press connection rather was not done correctly. So if you look behind me, several of these fittings have been pressed and several of them have been missed. On a standard press fitting, you will see that these have indicated X marks that they have been pressed. On this one, from far away, you can't really tell whether it has been pressed or not. On this coupling, you will see this side has not been pressed, this side has, and only because there is a black check mark on there and not on this one. Whereas our copper press system, you can clearly see that this side has been pressed because there is no green visual press, leak before press sealing element. Again, as we press this, that sealing element falls away and you can clearly distinguish that it's been pressed or not from far away on the application. Two of these three connections have been pressed, one has not been. The one that has the green visual sealing element obviously has not been pressed. So how does it work? The process is essentially exactly the same as any other copper press. So you're going to take your copper tube, you're going to use a cutting tool to cut it off at a shear end face. You're going to deburr and chamfer that copper tube as you would with any other press system. You are also going to continue and mark your cup depth for your application with a black Sharpie, or however you would typically do that with a scribe or a scroll. You're then going to take your copper press fitting with a slight twisting motion, insert to full cup depth on your copper tube as you would with any other. You can use any copper tool that's on the market, copper tool press tool that's on the market. This one happens to be a Milwaukee M18 with a copper press jaw system. You can use Rigid, Rems, Rothenberger. Any tool will work and we'll warranty our system. Simply cycle the tool around the fitting. When the press connection is complete, it breaks away and you know that your connection has been completed. And that's really all for the copper press system. We offer a complete line of over 450 SKUs. We have married and matched the center to end and lay length dimension to the industry or market leader. Our prices are extremely affordable. We also offer a mechanical leak before press system, which is built in to the fitting as is industry standard. We offer the line from 1/2 inch to 4 inch. And it's really point blank. So if you want to specify it, it's CopperPress, registered trademark and trade name, or visit us at CopperPress.com. Now, our stainless steel product is a 316 stainless steel fitting. It is an M profile, which has been used in the industry and in Europe since the 50s. The manufacturer is a Barcelona, Spain manufacturer. It is an iron pipe size fitting. The largest issue that we heard from the market was any copper or stainless steel system that's on the market right now is typically copper tube size. So in order to do a stainless steel system, you had to order the tube as well as the fittings, and which takes a while to be able to get. This is iron pipe size, so any of your wholesale distributors that carry 316 stainless tube, you can use, stainless tube or pipe you can use. And it's pretty simple. The tool itself is the M18 standard tool for a 1/2 inch through 1 inch. If you go with the larger diameter from 1 1/4, 1 1/2 to 2, then you will need the Milwaukee long throw tool. Any other press tool, as long as you have stainless steel jaws, will work. So essentially I'm swapping out the 3/4 inch copper tube size Milwaukee jaws with the 1/2 inch iron pipe size stainless steel jaws, and that's indicated on the Milwaukee tool itself, or jaws itself. So literally just insert the jaws into the system. The application is essentially the same. I'm going to cut, deburr, and chamfer my stainless steel. I'm going to mark the cup depth just as I would with any other press application. Then I'm going to insert with a slight twisting motion the fitting onto the tube until it's fully seated. Again, I'm going to open my jaw set and cycle the tool. And just like that, your stainless steel fitting is complete. And within seconds, you've got a 3/16 stainless steel, really attractive connection. This can be find all the information, submittals, downloadable information at IsoTubiUSA.com, or visit us at SupplySourceProducts.com, where you can buy both of these product categories. Thank you very much. Have a great day.